What is regeneration in biology? Regeneration in biology is the bodily process of renewal of a body part or system. We as humans do regenerate. We regenerate our skin almost daily, and we can regenerate organs like our liver. But we can't regenerate a limb. And I know what you're thinking. You probably picture the days of SpongeBob, where he would pull his own arms out, and another would grow almost instantly. And even in some cases, he'd eat them. And how that may be true, that he can regrow his arms, he is depicted as a sponge in which these animals possess such ability. Most experiments conducted were actually done upon tadpoles, baby frogs, who are known to regrow their tails after losing them, and they can even regenerate their limbs too. This regeneration seems to be involved in how cells in the tadpole's body acquire salt and how it's transported through them. From what I researched, this process could potentially work with mammals. But still, mostly amphibians possess the ability to regrow limbs and organs, unlike mammals. But why not? My research took me into deep sciences of how the body works, much of which you probably won't find taught in a high school setting. First, regeneration starts with a cut, or damage to tissues. Normally, in a mammal, tissues would reform or grow back, but in most to all cases, they'll grow back scarred tissue. That's why you see larger skin marks where a cut was, and we call that a scar, of course. The cells in charge of this growth can't differentiate into multiple different cells needed to recreate what was lost. So, for example, let's say little Jimmy lost his arm. Instead of this arm growing back, it scarred over and turned into a nub. But what if a doctor could perform a procedure right after he lost his arm and have his body regrow that arm? This would require a few different things, though. First, a certain cell type would be needed, called stem cells. These undifferentiated cells would need to be coerced into a certain cells needed to recreate the arm. With controlled fire blasts into the wound, these cells would then start the recreation of the arm. In theory, this would work, with considerable time for the limb to fully grow back. But the real question is more along the lines of, why don't we do this today? Why can't we? The science behind this is still very new, and the process hasn't quite been tested enough for concrete results. Also, with the ideal of human testing always being controversial, progress with us would take long to achieve. However, with science ever growing and moving forward, we could possibly see this science in action in our own lifetime.